Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created an ad multi-editor using Google AI Studio. Now, if you're new to the channel, I say a big welcome to you. On this channel, I collaborate with AI and channel my creative side into building apps, websites, designs, and more. So stick around and see how we're going to build this app. Now, all you have to do is go to aistudio.google.com and select the build feature. Type in your prompt and Gemini is going to build the entire app for you. Now, this is a prompt that I generated on ChatGPT. Now, if you want to get the exact prompt that I used in building this web app, you can find that in the description below. Don't forget to like, leave a helpful comment, and share this video with your friends as it will be valuable to them as well. And of course, please consider subscribing as this helps the channel to grow and put out more awesome content just like this one. So let's dive right in. Now, I prompted the Gemini and it took about 4 minutes to build the entire app. I had to fast forward everything, but it took about 4 minutes to get this entire setup. So yeah, so you have upload base, add image, upload your images, create, edit prompt. So you can make use of prompts to tell the AI what you want it to do, the kind of editing that you want it to do. You can copy the app, you can download it, you can save to GitHub, you can deploy the app as well, and you can share it as well with your friends. AI Studio is an amazing platform, and if you haven't tried it yet, you definitely should try it out. So basically, we're just going to upload an image. It seems like our image doesn't have a preview, but that's okay. We can still work on that so that we actually have a working preview. But on the sidebar here, you can see different suggested prompts by the Gemini, right? And it's giving you several prompts: add prompt history, preview prompt changes. It's suggesting prompts that could help make your app even better, and you can easily just prompt it and it would make those adjustments. So let's just go ahead and add the prompt for now. This image is what we're making use of. I know the preview isn't there, but this is the image we're making use of, and it's an ad of a pizza with a 10% discount on it. So basically this is Bob's Kitcha, and yeah, I made that up, but this is something that is really helpful because all I'm just doing in the prompts is saying update this Instagram ad and swap out the pizza for burger fries, update this Instagram ad and swap out the pizza for tacos, update this Instagram ad and swap out the pizza for spaghetti bolognese. And basically it's going to create all of these prompts just as I have instructed in my prompt. I just need to click on generate all variations, and as you can see, it has the original image there, which still doesn't have a preview, which we're going to work on, but basically it has pending generations prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, prompt 4. So when you click on generate all variations, it goes ahead and uses all of your 4 prompts to generate all the different variations of that particular ad that you had uploaded, that's your base ad image. Now in this case, as you can see, it has generated all of those 4 prompts that we imputed into the prompt section. And you remember we said swap out the pizza for burger and fries. As you can see in the first image, swap out the pizza for tacos, swap out the pizza for spaghetti bolognese and sushi. And it did it so beautifully well and generated the right images. I mean, this looks really good. It really did such a wonderful job at swapping out the pizzas. So this is really helpful, especially if you're trying to, design several social media posts. So basically this works, as you can see. We're just going to work on that preview. And yes, don't forget, we still need to test the second feature where you get to upload your own images that you want, specific images that you like. You can upload those images and replace whatever it is, incorporate those images into the ad that you want it to replicate. So we're going to see how that works. We're going to test that feature and see if it really works. Now, I noticed, besides the fact that there is no preview of the original image, which we eventually sort out at the end, you could see that there is no way to download the images that have been generated. I had to right click and then click on download to be able to download these. But of course, that's stressful. I mean, nobody does that anymore, right? So basically, I'm going to add that feature. This is the pasta, that's the spaghetti bolognese, and basically this was AI generated. It's amazing, it's crazy. So back to our studio, I'm just going to prompt it. I can't seem to download the generated images with an easy arrow on image icon. Can you fix this? Just give it a little time to do some work. So now I'm still just going to add a little more prompt. My base add image does not display when uploaded as seen in screenshot attachment. Can you fix this? So I'm going to sort out that whole preview, that base add image preview thingy. And basically, as you can see, the image now displays, the preview now displays. So let's go ahead and test it. Swap pizza in add image for burger and fries. Swap pizza in add image for vanilla milkshake. Yeah. And that's going to generate, click on generate all variations, and voila, we have that. Well, that milkshake didn't come out so great, but we can see now that we have the download arrows, right? We can actually download these directly by clicking on the arrows. So we're going to now test out the second feature, which is uploading our own images and using those images to replace whatever is in our ad, the base ad image. Yeah. And this one for me, I think it's a really good tweak to the entire app. So we're just going to test that out and see how it goes. So basically you upload images for replacement. It doesn't seem like it's working well because we have about five images there, but then there are no automatically generated prompt fields that I can easily, so that means that it's not connected. So we're going to work on that. I tried initially to use a single prompt to generate all five images, but it didn't seem to work. So I tried several prompts, like I tried imputing 5 separate prompts for each of the images, but it still turned out to use its own AI generated images. And that's not what we want, right? We want our own images uploaded to the platform. So I had to go back to the chats and prompt it to enhance the platform to be able to recognize those images that I have uploaded. So basically, as you can see, I had to prompt it again in the chats, and once again, it did its magic. So when I was done with all of those enhancements, I tried one more time and it seemed to work. It auto-generated the prompts field and added a prompt to each of the images that were being uploaded, and that's how it's meant to work. So basically, it just says replace main subject with new image, keeping the ad style. You can actually adjust that prompt to whatever you want it to be. There you go. It did such a marvelous job. Now, this is so helpful because it helps you save so much time if you are into graphic design. Let me know in the comments what apps you have built using AI Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.